Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to draw Itachi Uchiha again because in the previous video it didn't went well. So let's start with the 6B pencil. So guys, watch the video till the end. It's gonna help me a lot with my YouTube growth and I will be very grateful to you if you do that. And also like the video if you like it and comment your thoughts about it. I really wanna know what you guys think of my videos. So I'm gonna draw this sketch with really an easy way. You can also grab your sketchbook and pencil and draw along with me. And also, if you guys are watching my video for the first time and didn't subscribe my channel earlier, so subscribe now. I will be glad to see a new subscriber. So guys, now let's talk about the sketch a little bit. I started drawing with the hair because they're covering everything. They're like the main thing in the whole picture. So I started drawing with the hair because if we draw them first, every other thing will be easy to draw. You may not understand this thing now, but when I will start drawing the other features, you will understand it clearly. That how much these hairs are helping me to draw the other features. And guys, also I'm today in a lot hurry because there are guests at my home and I didn't get much time to draw, to edit my video, so I'm gonna do everything so quickly. I wanted to share the shading tutorial too in the same video, but I can't because I got really little time to edit the video. So wait for the shading tutorial. I'm gonna share it after one day. And make sure to watch that video too. And also guys, the video is just small as 5 minutes, so it won't take you long to watch it. So if you watch till the end, I will love you for decades, definitely. And see guys, it's going well. I told you I'm gonna do better next time. And I hope you guys like it now. I really did good this time. So the hairs are finally done and let's draw the headband. And now after the headband is done, I am going to draw the eyebrows. After the eyebrow, let's draw the right eye. And just draw this line to keep both the eyebrows equal to each other. Like the right eye, draw the left eye too. And in between those two lines, let's draw the nose. They are just two small nostrils and a heart shape around them. And now let's draw the mouth. It's as simple as possible, I guess. So after all the facial features are done, I'm going to draw the jaws, starting with the chin. And now I'm just gonna proceed according to the reference photo. And guys, let's do a little bit shading now. I'm using the same 6B grade. So guys, sketch is almost done. Let's go to the final look. And I really hope to meet you guys in the next video. Wait for this shading tutorial. Watch the left video if you want to try the sketch of Itachi Uchiha.